Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the treacherous waters of consumerism. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS440, and on the right, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone HS440 comes with a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Reviewers love its decent camera quality and find it perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, the TiziToy drone boasts a 4K camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers rave about its stunning 4K FPV camera, ideal for those who want top-notch aerial shots. So, if you're all about pixel peeping and want your aerial shots to look like they belong in a nature documentary, TiziToy is your go-to. But if 1080p is good enough for your Instagram feed, Holy Stone's got you covered. Next, let's talk about flight time. The Holy Stone HS440 offers around 20 minutes of airtime, which reviewers find decent for capturing quick shots. On the other hand, the TiziToy drone doubles that with up to 40 minutes thanks to its two 1,600 mAh batteries. Reviewers describe it as the Energizer Bunny of drones, perfect for extended use. So if you're planning on making a feature-length film with your drone, TiziToy is your best bet. But if you're more of a short but sweet kind of person, Holy Stone will do just fine. Now, let's talk portability. The Holy Stone HS440 is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it compact and travel-friendly. Reviewers appreciate its ease of transport and durable build. TiziToy also includes a carrying case and extra spare fan blades. Its rugged exterior painting adds to its durability. So if you want a drone that's easy to carry and doesn't look like a cheap toy, both of these have you covered. But TiziToy just might have the edge with its rugged looks. Alright, let's talk ease of use. The Holy Stone HS440 is loaded with features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers find it very user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, TiziToy offers gesture control, 360 degrees flips, and an emergency stop, making it a feature-packed option for experienced pilots. Reviewers appreciate the easy controls and steady hovering. So if you're a beginner looking for something user-friendly, Holy Stone is your guide. But if you're an experienced pilot wanting all the bells and whistles, TiziToy is your dream come true. Overall, reviewers are quite satisfied with both drones. The Holy Stone HS440 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a great option for beginners. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone receives accolades for its stunning 4K camera, extended flight time, and advanced features, ideal for more experienced users. Alright, smart buyers, there you have it. The Holy Stone HS440 versus the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. If you're looking for a solid, user-friendly drone, Holy Stone is a great pick. But if you want to go all out with 4K video, extended flight time, and a ton of features, TiziToy is your winner. So which one will it be? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.